again today. So as usual, we're going to continue on her chart patterns, and now today we're going to be looking at the bear flag pattern trading. But before I continue, guys, please always like and comment on my videos, like, oh, this is good, and all of that. Thank you very much. So let's get back to work. This is how bear flag pattern works. Bear flag trading pattern works. Yesterday we did the bull, okay, whereby we have it coming from the downside and then it's going up. Let's just say we have this on the downtrend. The market's going a downtrend, and then something like this. We've gone through something like this before, whereby we have all of this, and then the market is buying and then pull back and then again and again. So this is always where we have our flag pattern. Just right from here, okay, just right from here we used to have our flag patterns, because let me reduce the intensity of this and then so that you can actually see it. Okay, so this is where we used to have our flag pattern, because the market is selling and then trying to go back. So we always have something like this, something of this nature. So we're probably going to see it in our chart. Okay, so this is one thing that we're going to look for today. And then bear flags can be stronger when the swing low that begins the pattern is also at the all-time low. As far as how do I put it? This the high, the low, lower high, lower low, lower high. When we are getting back to some kind of lower low, lower low, lower low, you should be expecting something of a flag pattern, because the market will keep breaking down to the downside. Market will keep breaking down to the downside, and that's going to be like an opportunity for you once you recognize your support here and then the resistance here. Okay, let me just label it for you guys. As usual, I really believe that we already know about the support and resistance. We have the resistance here. We know about the resistance here, and then the support is here, right? So, and then we have a breakout to the downside here. So because we are on a downtrend, and then we are looking forward to the markets breaking down more to the downside. So what is the definition? It says a bear is a price action within the context of a downtrend that produces an orderly price increase consisting of a narrow trend range comprised of higher swing pivot high and higher swing pivot low. Okay, so this just that I've explained to you now. So let's go and look at our charts and then bring this in, because that's what I would like us to do. Okay, something like the downtrend. So we firstly have this as a downtrend. We can all see this clearly. We have this as a downtrend here. Right from here, we have this as a downtrend, and then we can we can see something of this nature here. Not like actually really clear, but so we have a pullback and then they sell to the downside. That's what we're talking about. This is a resistance, support created, resistance created, resistance confirmed, support again, and then almost touching the resistance, then sold to the downside. This is a flag which is a bearish. Let's go to another downside. I hope you all know that all these ones are from our analysis. Let's go to another downward trend. That's all what we should just look for. Downward trend. All these are still uptrend. I want us to look for a downward trend. Okay, let me just delete all the formal analysis so that we can easily look at what we're actually looking for. You're looking for a market that that has a flag pattern in it, and then we have not found one. And okay, good. So let's get to use this as well. Recognizing your downtrend, which actually ended here. It's not like it ended here and we have a lot of doji here. They see twister. This is actually twister. But you can actually recognize the doji at the middle as well. So, and then this happens to be that we have what here? we have our bearish flag pattern here. Do you see, guys? Now we recognize our resistance and then our support here, and the market sold to the next level of support, creating a lower low. Market just created a lower low here because we are always having these at what, like I said, on a downtrend. We always have this on a downtrend. Okay, so next time, right now, you check your chart on the daily time frame, and then you see the candle coming, like kind of a very big red candle, and then you realize, oh, this is a downtrend. Just go to your lower time frame, like 30 minutes, one hour, and then try to look at the flag pattern, and you see how it's going to work out, because it is a must for it to do that, sometime, because most of the times, guys. So this is another downtrend that we're seeing here, guys, and then I've seen something like this, simply, just work it out. And as far as I did be like, you've not seen all these places, right? Okay, and then you see something like stuff like this. The next thing you should expect is a breakout, or maybe retest the next level, retest the resistance first. Something of this nature that's the worst thing that can actually happen. It keeps going, and then with time it's going to, like, sell no matter what, because you're already on a downtrend. And then you can catch some real pips here. At least this very good selling 3 big candles, showing a selling pressure in the market. And this actually happened on London, pre-London section to London section, because they're like 7:30 till 8:30, because pre-London section to London section, and that was good. And the range was created on Asian session, so I believe we all know about the section. So that's just it that I want to show you guys today, the flag bearish pattern. And then tomorrow, we shall continue. Very well, please, guys, make sure you're studying, make sure you're practicing all of this, and it's really going to be an amazing time for us. You can see something of this nature here as well, come here and then broke to the downside. Please, guys, coming to the next level of resistance. Target is to be at the next level of resistance, so to really help us. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. Subscribe, like, share, and comment. Love you guys.